Well, several years ago, the Texas School Safety Center decided that we needed to do some progressive training for school-based law enforcement, much like traditional law enforcement. So we developed a program that we administer during the summertime when officers are not in school that has 4 different tiers. It has an introductory component, a intermediary, advanced, and a master's class. And then after they finish their master's class, they do a postmaster's class every summer as well. All the classes are 32 hours for a total of 128 hours. And we have so far graduated approximately 300 school-based law enforcement officers of the 10,000 that work in Texas schools.